The Chessie's Carousel is the newest feature of Chessie's Big Backyard at Lead District Park. It features ADA accessible animals, including horses and other themed animals that are available for adoption. In addition to the horses, we have many exciting animals that are featured in this carousel, such as a whooping crane, a deer, a seahorse, and a sea turtle, and other types of animals that are found in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. One feature that is brand new here at Lead District Park is a bench that not only goes round and round, but is connected to two horses and has the up and down motion. The ribbon cutting ceremony was attended by many children and adults. A number of dignitaries joined us today, including representative from the Virginia House of Delegates, Mark Sickles, as well as Supervisor Jeff McKay, representing the Lead District. And we also had a number of major sponsors who have made this possible. The Park Foundation is thrilled to partner with the Park Authority and others who made it possible for this incredible venture that's going to bring joy to so many.